Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. So today guys, you already know, I think I told you before, well, for if we have new people here, welcome new subscribers. I do know that I do have some new subscribers, so welcome. Thank you for coming along my Simply Natural Black Life journey. So welcome. But today's video is basically going to be about what I did with some of the collective haul items that I picked up from Goodwill and the bin store here and there. So I will be showing you guys that today. If you see this right here, this is white sage I'm burning. It smells so good. I just wanted to set the tone in the home before I get ready to leave and set it for my video as well. So anyway guys, I just wanted to say today is an amazing day. Today is a day of abundance. Today is a day of peace. Today is a day of joy. It is February the 7th, by the way. I also wanted to talk just a little bit. I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm just going to talk about it just for a second. Some of the channels that I watch here and there sometimes, I'm just getting so tired of people responding to negative things that people might have to say about you on your channel, or just be trying to attack you on other platforms and stuff like that. Guys, don't even worry about it. Always remember that this is like just tea time right now. This is just me. I don't think I'm nobody but just me, just Sonia, okay? When you give people that light, you're giving them a lot of your energy. If they are talking about you, they care that deeply about you. Trust me, they do. There are some things in your life that they wish they could be, or they probably just want who you are. They just want to be you. If you are experiencing that, if you're experiencing people lying on you, just all kinds of things, and it's all got to do with you. What are you know, they're always wondering, what is she doing? What is this? What is that? What is that? Let me spread lies. Let me do this. Like, y'all, you have more abundance on your life than you think. So don't give that space. Don't give those I call them reptilians, okay? Don't give them none of your energy, because when you do that, you're giving them your energy. So I just want to say to you, if you're going through that, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have an IG channel, or whatever it is, stop worrying about those people. Like, stop worrying about them. Stop giving them your space, your time. Don't do that. You're discrediting and lessening your value and yourself when you do that, okay? Don't do that, okay? It's not even worth it. It's not worth it, y'all. So that's my tea time today. We're gonna just get into the video. It is time right now for me to make a cup of coffee. So yeah, if this was for you, receive it and enjoy it and take it all in and accept it. You know, like I said, today is a day of abundance. Spread your love and just take in all the abundance, okay? All right, so let's go get the coffee. Hey guys, I haven't done this in a long time. I'm gonna do a little OOTD. I have on some new earrings. Got on some new earrings. You guys seen this. Got on some, one of these say wish and the other one says love. I think you probably seen the wish before. Just wearing a little bit of muted gold today. Yeah, so this is OOTD. I just have on some jeans, my Lucky Brand belt that's thrifted. All the clothing is from the bins. Well, the jeans are. I think this is from the Goodwill. This is a long cardigan. I really like this. It's like a cream color, and I just have on a cream color t-shirt and got my hair, if you guys can see, to the back. So yeah, guys, that is it. So let's go get this coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna get this coffee going. I think I told y'all, this is the non-dairy Starbucks coffee. This is the caramel macchiato. I think next time I get that one. Y'all, this is like $7. This is $7, okay? They gotta be crazy, but at Walmart it's cheaper, but it's not the non-dairy almond milk and oat milk, so yeah. And it's like, I think it's $4. At Walmart it's $4, but at my local grocery store it was $7, and I think that is because, like I said, it is non-dairy. Because when I compared it to the one at Walmart that I was getting, I had to remember it's not non-dairy. So guys, this pumpkin spice, if you go up to my other channel, Simply Black Vegan, and subscribe, watch some of the videos. This pumpkin spice was so good. But I'm gonna have my These are Barismo. This is the maple flavor one. So I'm gonna have that one today with my non-dairy almond milk by Starbucks, the caramel macchiato. But anyway, guys, I said since we're in here, I'm going to make my coffee. I will bring you guys along to show you some of the updates, okay? So I'm going to turn this camera around, show you the updates while my coffee is getting prepared. And then she's going to have to take a sip, and then she'll have to come back, okay? But we're going to go ahead and get started while that's pouring. So I'm going to turn the camera around, show you some things right quick, and then we'll just keep going. So right here, you guys remember, this is the Project 62 ceramic and gold plant pot. Yes, I did spray painted black because it looks better on the wall with the gold, and I added one of my plants to it. I'm actually going to have to cut this off of here because it like it's dying, but anytime you replant another plant, you guys know that it takes time to like regulate to its new surroundings or whatever. So that is that one. And then over here where our coffee is, here is our coffee container that has our K-cups from Aldi in there. They were 89 cents. And here is our little stick. Somebody did message me on my channel and tell me how to fix that from something from Hobby Lobby. I will be checking that out as well. Here is those glasses, y'all. So beautiful, right? And here are the other glasses. And we're just going to keep going. And then over here, y'all, these are my white. I did switch some stuff out. So I'm just showing y'all how minimalist it is. So here's the white stuff here. The bowls, the plates, the saucers. And then here's our black section. So these are the Project 62. Ooh, yeah, they're so pretty. So here are the four salad plates, the 2 bowls, and down here we have our 2 salad plates, and these are the, y'all don't never say it right, but come on. Focus camera, focus. These are the y'all know what this is. The Hearth at Home. Is that wrong? I'm trying to get it to focus, y'all. Yeah. Y'all know what that is. So I got 2 of these plates, 2 of the bigger plates, and 2 of the saucers. And all these things came from the bins except for these 2. These 2 came from Goodwill, and everything else came from the bins. So down here we have our really nice, beautiful muted gold paper towel holder, which I absolutely love. This is new, guys. This was $30 from the, this was originally $30, but you guys know I didn't pay $30 for it. It actually came from the bins. I got it for 75 cents because I'm just taking the stuff off so I can show you because it has like a little thing here. But guys, I paid 75 cents and this is what it is if you're interested. Can you guys see that? I don't know what's going on with my camera today. Let's see. I'm trying to bring you guys in so you can really see. Okay, that's what it looks like on the bottom. It's really, really pretty. It's just a tray. You could use it for whatever. So I'm using it right now for my fruit bowl. And then this can always get fixed right here. So that's right there. And then let me put this stuff back. Then over here, guys, this is a muted gold. This is actually a flower pot. I still have the sticker on there in the back. You probably can't see it, but it's in the back right here. I'm just using it right now for my utensils, my wood utensils for dinner. For cooking because I'm just going to wait until I get a taller one. And I'll show you what I did with the one that they were in because the one that they were in was actually like a flower pot. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, moving to this side. This was actually a plate and I acrylic painted it black to set the stuff on here. So I just got my coasters. I bought these gold candles, y'all, in here because y'all already know she did the legs like that. So why not, right? So that is how that looks right there. And let me see if there's anything else that I'm missing. But yeah, guys, I think that is so pretty. So over time, if I ever find like a base or something, I will connect the base to this to make it sit up higher. So it'd be like a, I forgot what you call that. Like a pillar, not a pillar, but it will just have legs on it. You guys know what I'm saying. So that's that. Let me grab my coffee because my coffee's ready. You guys, she can't forget the coffee. She can't forget the coffee. I almost forgot one more thing. Hold on one second. Y'all, this is so good. So go try your macchiato Starbucks. Like I said, it's expensive, but it's worth it. It's worth it. 'Cause just imagine, you will be paying double if you got the coffee and the creamer. So it's best to have your own coffee, use their creamer, and it works out for you. But I almost forgot, y'all, the rug. Look at the beautiful rug in the kitchen on the floor. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? So I absolutely like that. Let me go around this way so you guys can actually see what that looks like on the floor. So pretty, y'all. Everything just looks good together. Sorry for the whitewash, but yeah, y'all, I'm just loving everything. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let's move on to something else. Guys, there we go. I don't know what's going on with this lighting in here, or is it my eyes, but it just seems kind of blurry. I know the sage stuff is still going, so that might be what it is. But anyway, we're in the front room. I'm going to show you some changes out here in the front room. And also in the office, the bathroom. And the next video you guys are really going to see, the family room has a whole new look. Okay? Seriously. So stay tuned for that. So there's a lot of things in there that I probably showed on Instagram. So go check out my Instagram and you will see some of the things that I think I hauled recently that will be showcased in the family room. So yeah. So I'm going to turn the camera around because I need another sip of coffee. And I'm going to show you what I did in here. So guys, I end up putting this back in here. Well, this pillow, I just end up putting it back over here. And I'll show you what I did with the other pillow, okay? Here, for the flower pot, I took the gold trimming at the top off and put it just all black. It was just a little bit too busy for me. You guys, I did spray paint that green one that you guys seen before. Over here, we just have our lamp and that. And guys, here's that golden rust colored throw. I absolutely love it. It warms up the space really good. It's just very inviting. I had no throws in here. So to me, I gave it a thumbs up. I gave it a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think. But this is absolutely beautiful. It looks so much beautiful in real time. You know, like if you're really here, it looks so nice. And then look at her. She's thriving, thrusting and thriving, right? And then over here, y'all, she bought the lamp in here that was from the office. So now we have two matching lamps. And yes, this is sitting a little lower. I'm going to buy some kind of wooden box or gold box or something, or box I could spray paint it and have it rise. So that'll be beautiful. Oh, and let me show y'all. Since the last time, our fiddle leaf fig has got more leaves coming. So there's one coming. Here is the newest one. And then I happen to look. There's a baby here. There's a baby here. And let's see. Oh, there's a baby right here. Did y'all see it? Right there. And then there is one coming right there. So that's that. And then over here, guys, yeah, the sage is still burning. Y'all see the white sage burning? She's still burning. So here is the flower pot that was in the kitchen that I used for the utensils. I absolutely love the knotty knots on here. I absolutely think that's beautiful. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to bring it in here. I love textures. And this to me is pretty with that. I added some pampas grass, some different type of pampas grass here. And I just put that sansevieria in here. And that's it there. And then over here on this side, I just updated the picture here. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Let me know what y'all think. Just did a little bit more to it. All right, y'all. Now here we are in my office. So here is the other pillow that was in that chair. I just think it looks better in here. And then if you guys don't remember, this chair doesn't have a back. So this gives you a lot of support for your back. And it's really, really fluffy. Vase is still in here, but I took out the old pampas grass and I added these cottons right here that was in the hall. And then over here, let me show you guys really quick. This is where I put the lamp. So I still have to get the shade and all that good stuff. So that will be coming hopefully soon when I can find one. And then over here on this wall, I just did a little canvas art. It's not really big because this wall is not really big. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I added that to this wall. Yeah, guys, so I'm done in here. I think it looks nice. Look at that. I think it looks really nice. So the only thing I need to focus on is a cabinet that has like the gold. I can put gold knobs on it so I can put my products and stuff. So let's go into the bathroom. I got the bathroom a little bit. Then I got one more thing to show you guys, okay? Okay, y'all. So in the bathroom, here we go. I did end up painting the back walls here just so the gold can stand out here. And then this is where I end up spray painted this black, guys. Spray painted it black. I know. And I put the rest of the stuff, those things that I hauled in the collective haul, I put those in here. And I like that. My flower pot ended up breaking, so I'm going to find something else that I can set in here. Maybe a plant or something. I'm not sure, but I'll find something. So let's go on to the next item. Guys, this is the last thing I'm going to show you. And then we're going to just be done with this video. And I want you guys to stay tuned because the next video, you're really going to enjoy, okay? So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my shoes. Did I forget to show y'all my shoes? My little leopard. I know my leopard shoes, but loving that sweater. Let me show y'all. Hold on. See how the sweater get? Look at that. Y'all see it? Or maybe you can't see it, but yeah. But anyway, this is the last piece. Let me just turn the camera around and just show y'all, okay? So here is the other vase. Isn't that pretty, y'all? Look at that. She's so pretty. Oh my God. And what I did, I had some white craft paint, guys. I just went over in white just to bring out some more color because you guys know the walls are repost gray. And then I have this here. I put my room spray. Oh, let me show y'all the top. Let me show you guys the top. She found the top. Remember? Told you I was going to have me a top. This smells so good. We're going to spray some while we're here. We're going to spray some right now. Ooh, smells so good. So yeah, I got that sitting here. And yeah, that's how it's going to stay. It's real simple. It's real simple. It's real chic like I like. And yeah. So guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Guys, remember what I said at the beginning of this video? Take it and count it all joy and just feed it with a grain of salt, y'all. When people are doing that stuff to you, truly know that you are respected, that you are, and that you are still loved. Some people just do not know how to take a person that is like that because there's not too many people in the world, y'all, that are doing and living up right like they should. And a lot of people are not going to be taking that stuff. So they will do anything they can because they're not right to get into your space. Don't you let that happen to you. Don't you let that happen to you, okay? Do not be a part of it. Take it with a grain of salt. Love yourself so that you better love others. So this world will be a much better place. Guys, I'll check you out. Guys, I will see you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, if you made it to this far, let me know in the comments if you made it to this far and did you enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Always remember, like I said, love yourself so that you better love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.